The LARMACE King Bed Frame stands out with its impressive 47-inch high upholstered headboard, offering a luxurious backdrop for relaxation and leisure activities. With 4 spacious storage drawers underneath, this bed frame provides ample room to keep linens, blankets, and other items neatly organized, enhancing the minimalist appeal of your bedroom. Crafted with sturdy construction and a reliable support system, this bed frame ensures a stable and noise-free sleep environment, eliminating the need for a box spring. The assembly process is straightforward and efficient, with clear instructions and all necessary tools included, allowing you to set up the bed frame with ease. The premium linen fabric used in the tufted design adds a touch of elegance, while its soft and breathable nature enhances comfort and relaxation. The bed frame comes in 2 separate packages, ensuring that each component is well protected during shipping, and customer support is readily available for any issues.